Hey, Amazon shoppers, just going to do a really quick review of this EVIQO wall-mounted car charger that's on Amazon. I just want to explain some of the features with it. I want to show it being used with one of my electric vehicles. I want to talk about some of the smart capabilities that have to do with it. And yeah, just have a chat about it. So first of all, just looking at the unit itself, I think it looks amazing. Setting it up was really easy. There was a full-on instruction manual going over each step of how to set it up. The actual durability of the wall charger is amazing. You could chuck a hammer at this and it won't even lay a scratch on it. It's also waterproof and it has high terrain sort of protection on it. So if you want to install this outside of your garage or anywhere that has like high terrain, like whether it's snowy or just like really bad hurricanes or anything, this has very high terrain capabilities. Looking over at the cord right here, this is the actual cord to plug into the charger. This is a 24-foot cord with sort of this rubber sort of cable. It's kind of thin, it's very light, it is very durable. And looking at the actual cord itself, you got this little button right here. The button feels very nice. It's got a little mechanical sort of component to it, so it feels good to click on. This is very high protection rubber, so like you could literally run this over with your car. None of this will bend or anything. I actually saw a video of somebody running this over with his Cybertruck. Nothing, no sort of damage to it. It feels very sturdy in my hands and just very good, and it just seats right here on the actual placement right there. And then you got the actual cable right here, again 25 feet. And then a nice little touch with this wall charger is this 3.1-inch pigtail for installation to actually connect it to your breaker. This is very convenient because if you're setting it up in kind of like a tight sort of place, you can set it up. It's very easy for that sort of installation. So if you have to like go a specific distance, you don't have to worry about that, because I'm pretty sure this is one of the longest pigtails on these like third-party wall charging mounts. I believe same with the cable, 25 feet is the longest that you can have, which are all just amazing details. Now connecting the wall charger to my car. As you can see behind me, my wall charger is literally at the other side of the garage. So the full 25 feet are really putting in work. So depending on where you have your car in your garage, not going to be an issue whatsoever. One little thing that I want to note about this charger that I forgot to mention is this little silicone pad that you can put on it in case you forget to put it on the actual pad that's on the actual wall charger. You forget to put it on, it's on the ground. You can put this on just for extra protection. And yeah, when it comes to charging it with all sorts of different vehicles, the EVIQO wall charger has all sorts of versatility. It can charge literally to any sort of electric vehicle that's on the market. For Tesla, I do know that you need to buy an adapter, but for some electric vehicles, you're going to need to buy adapters here and there. But when it comes to power, has no issue charging it. And I'll show you right here. This is a Subaru. Just going to charge it in just like that. Should point out a green light. There we go. And yeah, it should also indicate at the back there. There you go. It flips on. It turns on blue to indicate that power is going through the wall charger into my vehicle, and it's starting to get a charge. To go over the app a little bit, I think this app is absolutely incredible, especially for a wall charger. I think the people at EVIQO really put a lot of time and detail into this app. I think the user interface is incredible. Some of the features that they have are very well thought out and very high quality. So if you click on the app right here, you're going to want to add a new device. Adding a new device is incredibly simple. You just want to turn on your personal hotspot. You just want to connect to the hotspot that the EVIQO has built in, and then just turn on your Bluetooth and then just connect through that. Add a new device. It will automatically start scanning for it. It will take a minute, but then it will start connecting to your device. And once you connect into it, there's a whole bunch of features that have to do with it. So first of all, something that you can do just immediately while you're in there is you can see how much the EVIQO like is actually costing you a month, like day by day. Like for each charge, it will show you like the cost per charge, so it can kind of give you some sort of idea of how much you're paying, like how like efficient the EVIQO wall charger is. It will also give you like, you can like set up specific macros for like, you can set up schedules for like, okay, I want to do like a charge this time, and like it will already like everything will be set up, and it will stop charging for like a specific amount of time. Like if you only want to charge for 4 hours, you can stop it manually through the app. It also has these sort of power efficiency modes. So like if you want to like get a faster charge, you can manually set the amp on the actual EVIQO wall charger, and you can get like a faster charge. You can slow it down in case it's getting a bit too expensive. And yeah, just a lot of very interesting features in the app. And I guess, again, the user interface is very clean. Connecting it is literally just plug and play, incredibly simple. And yeah, when it comes to the smart features, I think they do a really good job. But yeah, if you're looking for a very high quality, very durable, very power efficient wall charger that you can plug in for your car, I highly recommend picking this one up. I mean, they really maximize the potential of quality with the EVIQO with this EVIQO wall charger. I mean, they maximize the amount of length that you can put on the cables. The durability with the actual cord charger itself is incredible. Like the pigtail for installation, whether you're going to have an electrician to set it up, you're going to set it up yourself. Made everything as convenient as possible. The smart features are immaculate. The UI, all the manual features that you can put in. It's just really overall just a fantastic wall charger. But yeah, that's really my full review of this EVIQO wall charger for your electric vehicle that's on Amazon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.